How to change App Store download settings. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap App Store. Here, you'll find several options to customize how apps are downloaded and updated. Under the Automatic Download section, you can turn apps on or off to automatically download apps you've purchased on your other Apple devices using the same Apple ID. You can also turn app updates on or off to choose whether your apps update automatically. Next, scroll down to the Cellular Data section. Tap App Downloads to choose how app downloads work when using mobile data. You can select Always Allow, Ask if over 200 megabytes, or Always Ask, depending on your preference. Once you've made your changes, simply leave the Settings app. Your preferences are saved automatically and will apply to future app downloads and updates. And that's it. You've successfully changed the App Store download settings on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.